Today's workforce is on the move, with employees looking to access corporate data, applications, and online resources across more devices and locations. But supporting workplace mobility while minimizing risks and maintaining compliance can be overwhelming for many IT teams. VMware Horizon desktop and application virtualization solutions provide organizations with a streamlined approach to delivering, protecting, and managing desktops and apps while containing costs and ensuring that end users can work anytime, anywhere, across any device. Horizon centralizes end users' desktops in the data center, so IT can efficiently provision new clients, centralize desktop management, and improve security and compliance. And with innovative technologies like instant clones, user environment management, and app volumes, Horizon ensures that IT can streamline desktop and application management like never before, providing employees with truly stateless desktops. These stateless desktops can be destroyed just as quickly as they can be delivered, in seconds, allowing organizations to drive down costs, improve security, and support users with a truly personalized desktop experience. But with Horizon, organizations are not just getting virtual desktops, they're getting the ability to efficiently and cost-effectively deliver, manage, and monitor published applications to end users who may not need access to a full desktop. What's more, virtual desktops and published applications with Horizon provide IT teams with increased consistency across system settings and policies. Because with virtual desktops, these policies are tied to the end user and not the underlying hardware. This means that IT can provide end users with a truly contextual user experience, with policy that can dynamically change depending on the device used or the location services are being accessed from. And end users can securely access corporate data and applications across sessions through one set of login credentials. With Horizon, VMware is also ensuring that IT organizations can flexibly deliver services from on-premises, in the cloud, or through a new hybrid approach to best meet end-user requirements. This approach allows IT to start on-premises and provides them with a low-risk way to move to a fully cloud-hosted service or a hybrid cloud-managed service, with cloud-based management and desktops and infrastructure that sits on-premises. And with advanced virtual GPU and pass-through technologies such as NVIDIA Grid, as well as a brand new Blast Extreme protocol, IT can deliver great user experiences with all of the features end users have come to expect for even the most demanding graphic-intensive workloads. The consumerization of IT is a real phenomenon that is impacting businesses across the globe today. But supporting this trend doesn't need to be complex and overwhelming, nor should it cost you more. Horizon can help. Be sure to find out more today.
Hello everyone and welcome to the VMware Tech Talk webinar series. My name is Aisha Ayoub. I am a solution engineer with VMware. And today we will be talking about how to enable the remote workforce with the multi-cloud Horizon. So before we get started, a quick introduction. VMware decided to host these live webinars to address the current circumstances and help you learn the best practices to achieve success on your business continuity journey. Today, I will be talking about how to efficiently provision your new desktop and app clients through the multi-cloud without compromising security and compliance. So, to be able to access work from any place at any time has become one of the basic needs in today's business, and this has put a lot of pressure and complexity on the IT professionals, who are not only responsible for deploying the systems for the business users, but are also responsible for making sure that the security and compliance of the organizations are met. Now, this puts a variety of challenges on the IT force, and they are responsible on supporting the need of the business. So they are tasked with making sure that the systems are up to date and the applications are up to date, making sure that they are managing the applications well, and it is piling up more and more every day. So they are managing more and more applications daily. They need to provide a secure access to the legacy applications that organizations need for mission critical business. And they have to accommodate the different preferences of the business users, from preferences related to hardware, operating systems, and even devices. Now, one way many organizations are addressing these challenges is by adapting the desktop and app virtualization platform. This will offer organizations the unparalleled agility, productivity, and security while ensuring that business users can work from any place at any time through any device. Now, Horizon Cloud will give you a centralized, or VMware Horizon will get you a centralized desktop and application management and give you access to your corporate IT resources while you're still able to protect your corporate intellectual property. With Horizon, the IT team will be able to deliver on the business needs and technical needs while they still retain complete functionality and control. For example, they will be able to deliver Windows applications on any device, so the business users will be able to still run their day-to-day task with their Windows applications on the device of their choice, quickly and reliably. They will be able to reduce the management cost of the devices, so they can reduce the costs related to CapEx and OpEx and run it with remote laptops and central control through the local virtual desktops. They will also be able to easily reclaim software licenses when they decommission bring your own devices for the workers. Another case is to eliminate the cost provisioning of devices. So they have the ability to remotely enable and refresh the virtual desktops for the mobile workers. This way, they will be able to get new resources up and running quickly and prevent downtime on the services and reduce the time and cost on shipment of new equipment back and forth between IT operations and end users. Boosting the user productivity is one other use case that we go through with VMware Horizon. So some of the key capabilities that enable IT to get the business user up and running and make them more productive is the enablement of bring your own device culture. So the IT will be able to quickly give the business users enablement with standard corporate desktops running on top of the personal devices, but with security and Active Directory authorization over the corporate data. Also, they will be able to extend the life of the legacy applications, as many organizations are relying on mission critical data over the legacy applications. Horizon will enable the IT to deploy these applications on modern hardware and take advantage of the security and compliance technologies on the newer operating systems. So the business user will not have to worry about carrying too many different devices to run the different legacy applications. The last use case we will be talking about is the security of the systems of the business users. So by applying multiple policies to the virtual desktops, the end user and the IT will be able to have secure of the corporate data. For example, we can enforce time-based restrictions on the virtual desktops, so they will auto-expire right after the time the time based on these devices will end, and they will automatically remove themselves from the virtual machines. We can enforce desktop isolation by having an enablement of the separation of the personal and work-related file. So we can isolate our virtual hard disk from the physical hard disk on the device. We can control the copy and paste functionality, restrict the drag and drop between the virtual desktop and the hosted operating system. One more compliance policy that we can apply is to restrict the external access of external devices, such as the USB memory cards, the flash drives, video cameras, and so on from the virtual desktop. Horizon leverages the JustInTime technology, which integrated into a single common workflow. This way, IT admins will easily be able to create VDI workspaces in an integrated manner that focus on the user's need. Now, the jump technology will automatically create entitlements to deliver this workspace. This makes it incredibly easy to make changes and simplify the testing and delivery of the desktop and application updates. Now with Horizon, we have two different deployment options. The first one is VMware Horizon 7. It enables the IT department to run remote desktops and applications in the data center, and to be able to deliver the desktop and applications to the employees as a managed service. The second deployment option, and our focus for today, is the Horizon Cloud. So this will deliver virtual desktops and applications on the cloud platform, which is scalable across multiple deployment options. For example, it includes the fully managed infrastructure from VMware, and we have the public cloud infrastructure from Microsoft Azure. So this service will support a cloud scale architecture, which makes it easy to deliver virtualized desktop and applications to any device at any time. You will be also able to extend your Horizon 7 implementation on-prem to the cloud to address a wide range of use cases, including on-demand capacity. So if you need to have a very quick deployment of or an extension of your deployment on Horizon 7, you can extend it to the cloud and have it running up in a few days. You can leverage the disaster recovery cloud co-location without the need to add up additional on-prem infrastructure. Some of the benefits we get from having the Horizon Cloud services is the ability to outsource infrastructure management and maintenance with the hosted infrastructure from VMware. So the Horizon Cloud will provide you with production level support and enterprise grade security. This will give your IT the peace of mind that the desktops and applications will be available for the end users whenever they need them. Another benefit of the cloud-hosted infrastructure is it will let you add on capacity within days instead of months. So you will get your new users up and running in a faster time than traditional deployment on-prem VDI deployment. This will integrate technologies like user environment management, instant clones, and you'll be able to deliver desktops and applications to users within minutes. The Horizon Cloud service will give you incredible flexibility in deploying cloud-hosted virtual windows, desktops, and applications. This is easily configurable with the capacity from VMware, so you can control the desktop specifications at the time of deployment. Now, to start the move to the cloud, it is a journey, and many customers are having the move to the cloud one step at a time. So to start, you can start with managing console as a service in the cloud while your desktop and applications are still running on-prem, and then start the move from there. You can start with disaster recovery, so you have your cloud burst when you need it. You can have data center extension, so you can move certain workloads or use cases to the cloud one at a time. And lastly, you can use app co-location, so you can locate your desktop and applications next to the data center workloads. Now, to take your ticket to the cloud, we recommend that you use the Horizon Universal License. It is a single flexible entitlement to all our Horizon subscriptions and cloud solutions. You get to deploy on-prem, you get to deploy in Azure, on VMware Cloud, on AWS, or one of our partner cloud solutions like IBM Cloud. This will give you access to Horizon services, which is accessible through the cloud control plane. So in summary, the Horizon Cloud, you will be able to get a cloud scale, feature-rich for managing and delivering your desktops and applications. It will uniquely allow customers to bring their own infrastructure or buy infrastructure from VMware. It is available globally, and the Horizon Cloud Service is designed to enable organizations to start small and flexibly and economically scale on demand. This is the end of our talk for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this webinar. Before you go, I wanted to remind you a couple of things. We have available some exclusive content in the link in the description. And please make sure to check our Facebook group if you haven't already. And if you need to get in touch with us, please reach us via the contact us link. Thank you and have a great day.